What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, the best place for affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs. Today I'm going to do a real honest review about ClickWealth System. They're using solo ads, which I don't like. ClickWealth System first sale when you buy the product is $9. Do not expect too much for $9. With the upsell and the whole package, you will pay $500 at least to have everything functional. Today I will be talking about ClickWealth System. I'll show you the sales page. I will go into the members area, and then I will give you the pros and cons and why I think this product is not for beginners. I'm Dr. Loendi from LegitBlueprint.com, where I provide advice, training, and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. If you want to have a sustainable business that you can be proud of, click on the link below and see for yourself if you want to do business with me. There's free training and I will show you what I'm using, and this is a proven strategy that's working for me. Please do not miss any of my forthcoming videos. Remember to give me a like, subscribe for updates, and ring the bell to get informed when my next video is out. So let's look at the new software that will build your website and make you money online. Let's continue with the review. Here we have a video that explains what the product is all about. And then if we're looking at what the other things they offer, it's like any sales page. If I look at shiny objects, this is the same thing I see here. And it's exactly how it has a scarcity activator that you have to buy it today or now or in a certain time. And then Spencer, and here is the urgency thing. Bonus, instant bonuses, and right at the end, upgrade and get access now. One-time fee of $147, and they have a 60-day money-back guarantee. Now we're in the members area, and here is a step-by-step system to get you started, which is actually nicely put out. I only got into all the areas and I only got to step 4. I didn't go further, as this is not a program that I would even recommend or use myself. This page looks like any other page, and if you scroll through, you see all the things they want you to see. Click step 1 and start. Here is a welcome video, what they have. The only thing I don't agree, they say that if you start a business like this, as a digital online business, you will need $6,000 to start up. I made a video how to start your online business with zero money. So I don't believe that this video is truly true. Let's look at the rest of the dashboard. You can build pages. This is where they give you some pages that you can build. And then also, if you upgrade, you will get more pages. But what they have, you won't even use if you're really into this product. So here is how one of the pages look. And I see there's no GDP, little sign up. And where is the consent that you agree to the emails? So I think be careful with this product. It misses out a very important element. So they have quite a lot of different sales pages. But if you like me, most of the time I just use 1 or 2. Click to learn more. Access resources. Okay, so let's see what is the next step now. Here you can see you have 100 free clicks. So it's not bad. I don't think you will make any sales. At least they give you something for free. And then you have to find traffic to sell the product to, or to send the product or your link to. Or you get traffic from Facebook, or you get traffic from Facebook method 2. So this is the different methods that they will show you how to get traffic. I must admit, this free traffic is not the best traffic. What they mention here is now Udemy traffic. And if you buy people's traffic from Udemy, this is solo ads. So you pay for the traffic that you buy, and it's not free. I'm not happy with buying solo ads because from my experience, it doesn't really work. They may show us success stories over the years and say their traffic converts. But with my experience, solo ads are cold traffic. You don't have a relationship with your people and they don't know you. They've been bombarded daily with lots of different options and different vendors. So they don't really purchase anything. It will cost you money. And as a beginner, this is something that you should be very, very cautious about. You mustn't use any solo traffic if you don't understand how it works and how to do it the right way. Order your traffic package. And I can tell you, buying solo ads is not cheap. It costs a lot, especially as a newbie. You think you will make money. You will lose money using solo ads. Believe me, I started out with this, always listening to the wrong mentors. Here I'm going to show you, as an affiliate marketer, how it works when you buy solo traffic. This is the vendor. He gets you to buy solo traffic, and he has solo traffic, and he might get a commission from the sideline of the solo traffic. That's why he talks about Udemy and some of the other places where you can buy solo traffic, as he will get a kickback. Say for instance, you buy for $1,000. So he will automatically get a commission from the place where you bought the traffic from. Say he will get 40%. So what happens? When you buy solo traffic, they will opt in. And this doesn't happen a lot. And he will make the money. And he will sell products and also get another income. But for you, as the affiliate marketer, spending the money from your pocket, the income for you is minimal. The vendor himself, he's getting all the money in his pocket, smiling all the way to the bank, while all the affiliate marketers is paying his bank account and increasing his income. So I would suggest, look at my video, I leave a link below, and understand how solo ads work. I would not suggest using any of this, although they call it influencer traffic. It's just plain solo ads. Well, now that you know the software and what the product is all about, let's continue and let's conclude this presentation. We do not buy this. Upsells will cost you at least $500 plus to have the whole package, and then still you will only lose. Let's look at the pros. It's quite difficult to find a pro when you're talking about a product like this. Well, I can think of one. It's a low cost, $9. What can you lose? Just pay $9. And it's a one-time payment only. As I said in the beginning, don't expect too much of $9. You pay for what you get. So if you pay $9, can't get a lot, is it? Now the cons. Firstly, you do not get your own domain page. Training is very poor. It's outdated. It's at least 3 years old. And we should update training yearly at least, or every 6 months, as there's so many new things happening and we have to update training. That's with any of digital products. The traffic method, solo ads, the poorest quality traffic that you can get, and it costs you money. So you pay for solo ads. And who's making the money? Definitely not you. It goes into the owner's pocket. The other thing I saw, the checkbox, the GDPR checkbox in the opt-in page is not there. And if you don't have that approval, you might get into trouble. And lastly, the owner makes all the money. You lose. Check out the solo ads links below if you want to understand more about what is solo ads. And I also left a link below of a proven product I'm using and a strategy that makes money online the right way without using solo ads. So do not miss any forthcoming videos. So give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my channel and ring the notification bell to know when my next video is out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time on the other side of the screen.